Okay, this is an email that was sent out to everybody. It's in your email. And the very first things I want y'all to do is take all your phones out, open it up, and I want you to go to the App Store. Okay? And this is an app. Now, for all you people who really don't know how to use a phone, this is made for y'all. Okay? So remember all the trainings that I gave, how to do your touches and how to have your script and how to put a link to it and you make 5 touches every day. Well, there's an app here to do it for you. You don't have to even write a text. They're all written for you. Everything's done for you. All you got to do is pick, press, and play. Pick, press, and send. Pick, press, and send. Okay? How easy does that get? Woodrow, you like that one?
Contacts in your phone.
Contacts in your phone. And I'm going to show you how to, I'm going to first show you how to put it on your phone. Okay? I want everybody to get the app. I'm going to walk you through this. And I want you to know that video's in your back office, but it's also in everybody's email. And you can, this video we're about to play, it's about 2 minutes long. And so what I'm going to do is we're going to play the video, okay? And I'm going to put myself on hold. And we're going to play it and we're going to stop it, okay? When? Okay? It's going to tell you to go to the App Store. That's what it's doing. We need to get a volume up. Oop. It's going to tell you to go to App Store. Okay, and I want you to do the search function. And I want you to search for this. Rapid, R-A-P-I-D, space, funnel, F-U-N-N-E-L, and you will see it. Now, it's in your Google Play Store. It's in your Apple Store. It doesn't matter if you have an Android or if you have an iPhone. You just go there and then you'll see it. Turn that volume up.
Sharing the 7K metal story. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your app phone, either the with an Android or Apple, and you're going to Rapid Funnel.
Rapid Funnel, R-A-P-I-D.
And then you're going to install the Rapid Funnel.
I want y'all to do this as we're doing it, because we're going to pause the video.
This screen here where it's asking you
for
a group.
Pause. Okay, pause. Okay, I want you to go to the App Store. I want you to do this way. I want everybody out here walking out with this app when you leave here tonight on your phone. And if you have problems, I'm going to come help you put it on your phone. Okay? Okay, and then you search. You know how to search? You had that little magnifying glass. Okay. You click on that little, okay, you got it. So go ahead and install. Anybody else having a problem? You got it?
I don't.
Okay, let's get Cecil's. Okay, we got Google Play. So we need to do the search. Search for Rapid.
You got it?
Yeah, but this came up, so what I just hit continue. I mean, I don't know what to view your account.
No, just get continue and stuff.
See Rapid Funnel
I want this one set up for.
right there?
Yeah.
Do it on your
Is that
own.
Rapid Funnel?
Yeah, I need
Okay, there you go.
mp.net, so.
Okay, anybody else? Haven't got it yet?
Email it
And
out.
it'll download, you'll come up,
Alright,
it'll
change
bring
that.
you up to a window, but do not do anything past,
This app doesn't cost anything, so
okay? You gotta sign in to your Apple Store, your Apple ID.
just put skip.
Do y'all know your Apple ID?
Yeah, but I wanna
Okay,
change
you have
that
to have
email.
your
Yeah, but
Apple
once
ID.
it's there, you can edit it.
Yeah, you have to get into the store. And I would encourage you in your settings, and I'll show y'all how to do this, but for all your free apps, you should say to download it automatically with no password. And then you'll never have this problem again. Because free apps are free. And then it will require a password to pay for one. And then you know when it asks you for password, uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, so if you hadn't got there, okay, everybody got the app? Okay, do you up to this screen right here? Okay,
Mine's still loading.
yours still loading, we'll wait for you,
I don't know if
okay? Okay, are you on Georgia's network?
I don't know what that means.
Oh, let's get you on the network. You aren't gonna be able to download unless you get on this network.
Because of the taxonomy he has?
Well, he's
Is that
going
true
through
with
AT&T through the waves, or who you got as your carrier?
Sprint.